So, you want to know if the Cricut Maker is good for leathercraft? Well, I'm going to show you 5 ways in which you can use it for leather crafting. I'm tired today. Okay, this is going to be a quick video, but just give me a second. Number 1, patterns. Patterns are probably the number 1 reason I use the Cricut Maker. I design all my patterns on Adobe Illustrator and then I put it into Cricut's software, which is called Design Space. And I get the Cricut Maker to cut to the exact dimensions that I want. Number 2, another way you can use the Cricut Maker is to actually cut leather. It's not something I necessarily use a lot, but if you need to cut some more intricate shapes or things like circles, things that are really hard to cut by hand, the Cricut does a good enough job of it. It does a pretty good job when you want to prototype or see how a steel ruled die will work if you want to order one of those. Number 3, drawing on leather. It's pretty self-explanatory. We actually sell 3D printed adapters so that you can use Sharpie markers and a bunch of other pens with your Cricut. And the link for that is in the description below. It's just kind of a fun thing. Number 4, packaging. So after cutting out patterns, I probably use the Cricut Maker the most for packaging. Like, I never needed to order 1,000 postcards or 1,000 of anything, or 500 even. So the Cricut Maker would allow me to make, 10 custom tags or labels. And that was really helpful. The Cricut Maker really allows you to elevate your packaging without committing to like 1,000 postcards. Number 5, stenciling. So I will get the Cricut Maker to actually make me a stencil. Whatever stencil you want, you can get the Cricut to do. I'll cut it out on vinyl adhesive and adhere it to the leather. And then I'll use a dye marker filled with leather dye and I color in the stencil. And that's what gives you this pretty cool effect. It really makes for unique projects and really cool designs. This one's pretty fun. So that's it. That's 5 ways you can use the Cricut Maker for your leather craft. If you enjoyed watching this and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. It really goes a long way for our small business. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Now this is too weird. I should stop this.